I recently made a Shopify tutorial showing how to add a badge to the product card, and someone left a comment asking how to translate the text. So I decided to make this video. I'm going to show you how you can add a translation without using an app. Here is the badge that I added in that tutorial, and here is the code that I wrote to render the badge. The bestseller text is hard-coded, which means that you'll see bestseller even if you select another language. To illustrate this, I went ahead and added a second language to my Shopify store. It's Spanish. I'm going to select the Spanish version and show you that the text is still the same. So I would like to translate this to Spanish. The way you can do this is by replacing this string of text with a dynamic value that returns the text from a translation file. And this is exactly what's going on here. It's referencing a translation key that is passed to the T filter, which is short for translate. If you would like to learn more about the technical side of things, then go to shopify.dev and search for translate. This is the filter that's being applied. Back to the code editor, I'm going to copy this line of code and paste it here. Go ahead and replace on sale with best seller. And that's going to cause this red squiggly line. It's telling me that the translation key does not have a matching entry in locals/en.default.json. So I need to add this bestseller translation key. I'm going to copy the first part, which is products, and then search for the translation file that was specified. Click inside the file and bring up the search bar with Control F, and then paste the value with quotation marks and enter. This contains all the English translations that are related to products, and I can actually see the on sale translation key that I copied earlier. Now I just need to add the translation key for bestseller and set a value. Go back to the previous file and you'll see that the red squiggly line is now gone. And if I hover over the text, it shows bestseller. So that's the value that is being returned from the translation file. But so far I've only added the English translation. I also need to add the Spanish translation. The process is the same. I just need to identify the right translation file inside the locales folder. I'm going to clear the search bar, scroll down, and look inside the locales folder. That's the one, es.json. This file contains all the Spanish translations. Search for products once again. I see a lot of red squiggly lines here as well, and that's because the translation for bestseller is missing. Let's go ahead and add it. I don't actually know Spanish, so I'm going to copy something from Google Translate. And save. And make sure you save the changes in this file as well. Okay, let's verify that it works. I'm going to start by selecting English as the language, and that's going to reload the page. Scroll down, and you'll see that it says bestseller as expected. Now if I switch to Spanish, it's now showing the Spanish translation. So yeah, that's how you add a translation without using any apps. If you found this helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a like. It helps other people find these videos. If you have any questions or feedback, then leave a comment. I'm a freelance Shopify developer, so if you need help with your Shopify store, then join my Facebook group and make a post or message me directly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.